out, boy. Check it out. Ooh, this is the chipotle. The honey chipotle. I should brought a better knife. You know, this knife is not the greatest. But it does the job, you know? Look. I'm so tempted to lick my fingers, you know? Yeah, man. You know, this is like a rainy winter weather out here, you know? Yeah, yo, this don't stop me from barbecue, you know? I told my friends, I'm like, yo, y'all gotta come out here, man, and do this. They're like, nah, bro. Yeah, bro, I want the place get warm. I say, yo, brother, I'm hungry. Not stop me from eating, bro. No. I gotta come out here and eat. Look at that honey chipotle. Oh my God. I gotta give my director, I gotta give her a piece of this to try, you know? You know? My God. This knife can't even cut butter. You know? This knife cannot cut butter, guy. Oh, Lord have mercy. Huh? Oh my God, this knife is horrible. But you know, better than nothing. This is the honey chipotle. Oh my God, I can smell it. Woo! Oh my God. Josiah, Isaiah. Look upon this, boy. Eric. Look upon this. This is for my director right here. Come. Try that. Oh my God. This is good. Try next piece. Look upon that there. It's worth it, right? Coming out here, you know, embracing Mother Nature and indulging on this beautiful honey chipotle, baby. Look at this, baby. Look. Ooh. Ooh. The man of the hour, the man of the time. Check it out. Woo. Bought to the bone. The great outdoors. We out here, baby. We out here. Check it out. So this is the chipotle honey. Look, nice beef. Oh, look at that fat. Why? The place cool, boy. But it's worth it. It's worth it, yes, Scott. So peeps, check it out. This is my garbage, right? Look how nice and clean my table is. Right?